Hi, what is a food impaction? It is a forceful wedging of food into the periodontium by the occlusal forces. In the picture, you can see the marked food impaction area with the opposing occlusal forces causing food impaction. Food impaction is of two types, vertical and horizontal. Vertical food impaction is from occlusal direction. It is mainly because of tooth related problem. And the horizontal food impaction is from lateral direction from the action of tongue, lip and cheek. It is mainly because of the gingival and periodontal problem. Factors causing food impaction are classified into five types or five classes. Class 1 is the occlusal wear. In this picture, the occlusal wear of maxillary teeth are shown and lower teeth are touching directly to the contact area and causes wedging of food. Class 2 is a loss of proximal contact, that is, a open area is present in between the two teeth. Class 3 is a extrusion beyond the occlusal plane that causes a loss of tight interproximal contact. Class 4 is a congenital morphological abnormality, that is, a tooth is placed either buccal, lingual, palatal, or a rotated position. Class 4 is an improperly constructed restoration. All these factors are showing that the loss of tight interproximal contact is the reason for the food impaction. Sequelae following loss of proximal contact. That is what happens if no tight contact is present in between the tooth. The impacted food causes gingival inflammation. If that is not corrected in time, that causes periodontal pocket formation by destroying junctional epithelium. Collected microorganisms, their byproducts, inflammatory products causes more destruction of tissue and bone. The resorption of bone increases and that causes tooth loss. Management. For proper management, we should first identify the reason. Patient should be educated to maintain the oral hygiene. Many patient uses toothpick to remove the impacted food that further causes inflammation and more tissue destruction. So patient education for oral hygiene maintenance is important. Next step for a dentist is to perform periodontal treatment in terms of scaling curettage. Laser curettage, low level laser therapy, that is a triple LT, gives excellent result in such conditions. After periodontal treatment, the occlusal adjustment should be performed. If opposite tooth is showing plunger cusp, then coronoplasty has to be done. Correction of marginal ridge anatomy, anatomy of grooves and fossa should be done if necessary. If tooth alignment is not proper, then the correction should be done with the help of orthodontic treatment or a restorative treatment. If crown is not proper in terms of marginal fitting or a proximal contact, it should be replaced. Food impaction is a very common problem and if corrected in time gives excellent result with minimal treatment.